Hi guys, another test. So, dahil dumating itong product na to for free at maraming salamat sa store, Gina Medalla. So I will do the honor to try on this product. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, mom, sir, for sending me this product. So after a week, after a week of using this product, I will shoot another video for my review. Okay. So ito siya. So it is Corvini niacinamide, 3 times ceramide, and 7 times plant extract. So, Corvini niacinamide brightening moisturizing cream. So, for bright, smooth, and moisturizing. Okay. So, the ingredients are, nakalagay. So, nandito sa carton. So, water, botulinum glycol, ethyl hexyl stearate, niacinamide, glycerin, dimethicone, propylene glycol, and many others. So, it brightens the skin tone and moisturize skin. Ang lock-in moisture, plump, and elastic. So, dahil hindi na tayo masyadong bata, so kailangan na natin ng mga products na ito. So, ito na. Try na natin. Okay. Okay. So, ito siya. Ito siya. Tanggalin na lang natin. And then, kuha tayo ng sample at ilagay sa skin. Okay, and that's it. At tapos na ako. I'm done.